Hello everyone. This quiz video is for refresh our knowledge about to be verb in English language. Let's start. Now is a term that uses to express present situation. So we select present tense be verb as the answer. Is software engineer is the present tense be verb included answer. So answer is a. This sentence starts with compound subject, cricket and football. Compound subjects needs plural verb. So answer is C. First sentence describes an incident that was happened in the past. Then past tense be verb included answer selected. So the answer is B. First sentence describes an incident that was happened in the past. Second sentence describes something related to present. So, the answer is B. First sentence describes habitual action of subject, and, related to cooking. Second sentence indicate a hint about time. Third sentence is described something like guessing the subject's, and's, behavior. Since and's interest is to try new recipes considering the answers. Most appropriate answer is C. First and second sentences are describing talent of the subject, Jenny. So, third sentence of the question something like prediction of her future. So, by considering the answers, most appropriate answer is A.